Okay, August, I think it's the 7th, 2019. This is the latest installment of the custom pellet vertical whole pig smoker. It's now painted. Same colors as the rest of my gear in the backyard, red and black. It's shooting at 248 degrees, set at 250. That's a Pellet Pro by Smoke Daddy. The top is from a 18-inch Weber Kettle. The bottom flanges at the top will hold a piece of sheet metal when it rains. Show you that in just a minute. The door, the whole smoker is from a 19-inch diameter stainless steel tube purchased on Craigslist. It was used to produce some wine. It came with a dolly, mounted on a dolly with wheels. Fabricated some hooks, accessory hooks for brushes, prongs, and those type of things. Top comes off with hinges. That would be the top that would go on the very top. Once the spit is removed, they'll just sit on the top in case it rains, when it does rain. More accessory hooks. A plug. These are grommets for my probes for meat, my meat thermometers. Both of them will fit through these grommets there. Won't release any air, any heat. So let's take a look at the inside. Again, this is a dedicated vertical smoker. It's got high temperature bearings at the top and the bottom, with a machine bushing here on the top so that this spit will turn true. It's not automated, but what I think I'll do is that every 15 minutes or so I'll just spin it around, a quarter of a turn, to see if it makes any difference or not. On the bottom as well, the same high temperature bearings and a bushing. That's a 1/2-inch stainless steel spit rod. The forks are just something I got on Amazon. It's a stock item. I do make my own forks, but it wasn't worth making them when you can just buy them pretty cheaply. It's also set up as a 7-tier rack system for ribs, hams, turkeys, brisket, or whatever. There are some embellishments that I want to put on there, just not sure where I'm going to put them. But let's open up the bottom. The bottom doesn't have any gaskets yet, but I am planning to put some gaskets later on. So this is the setup for the bottom. You've got the burn pot. 3 inches above the burn pot is a diffuser plate. I think that might be a little too large, but I'm just checking it out for now. And then this is the plate for the mounting plate for the spit, which can also be used when you take away the spit as a water pan as well. And as you can see, it's burning pretty good. So I'll go ahead and cook. There's also a drain plug on the bottom. When I wash it out, it could be just push it over. It'll drain all the water or whatever needs to be drained out. So let's close this back up. think I'm going to mount these medallions on the doors. I am Filipino American and proud of my culture and heritage, so that's going to be mounted somewhere on the doors here as well. Filipinos can barbecue just as well as probably as good as a Texan could, so we'll see how that works out. But you always got to add your own touch to whatever whatever I build. I like to add my own little touch. Those are just cut out on a CNC plasma I have in my garage. So there it is. It's the dedicated vertical pellet smoker for whole pigs. I can probably smoke a whole pig that's about 30 pounds, 35 to 40, as long as it's about 36 to 40 inches long on the spit. There you go, and have a great day. This is Rod from San Francisco and the world. Bye.